Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a link to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So actually guys, Adobe Acrobat lets you add the clickable links of course to a PDF that's open a web page and jump to another page in the document or even open a file. So this feature is available in Adobe Acrobat Pro. So actually guys, you will need at first to get the Adobe Acrobat Pro to reach these features as well. So here guys, first you will need to open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So just locate it and double click on it to open it in the app. And then of course you will need to use the tools. So to reach them you will need to go and click on all tools under the menu at the top left corner. So this one, right? And here you will need to find edit ePDF, right? So click it, and as I told you, you will need to have the Adobe Acrobat Pro first, right? So I don't have it yet, but I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So you will need just to focus and to follow the steps, right? So actually guys, here you will need to go and choose the link, right? So you will find an option that says link, so, and add or edit a link, right? Then after the link you will need to click on add or edit a link, and then just drag a rectangle where you want the clickable link to appear, and in the create link dialog box choose open a web page, then click next and enter the full website's address. So for example the https double dots 2 slashes www dot anything.com, and then just click on OK and save the PDF. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.